Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Google Lens to translate text. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Using Google Lens to translate text is incredibly useful when you're dealing with languages you don't understand, whether it's on a sign, a menu, a document, or even handwritten notes. Here's how you can use Google Lens on your Android to translate text instantly. Now, ensure you have Google app installed on your smartphone. If not, download it from the Google Play Store for Android. Update the app to the latest version to ensure you have the most recent features. Then, go ahead and open the Google app. Tap on the camera icon in the search bar to launch Google Lens. Point your phone's camera at the text you want to translate. Make sure the text is clear and legible on your screen. If the text is in a printed form, it tends to work best. Handwritten text can also be translated, but ensure it's neat and clear. Tap the shutter button to take a photo, or you can tap and hold the screen for real-time translation. Alternatively, if you have a pre-captured image of the text, tap the photo icon in the Google Lens to choose an image from your gallery. Once the image is captured, Google Lens will automatically highlight text it recognizes. You can also drag to choose specific text that you want to translate. After the text is selected, tap the Translate button that appears on the screen. Google Lens will automatically detect the language and provide a translation in your default language or another language you choose. The translated text will appear overlaid on the original text in the image, allowing you to see the translation in context. If Google Lens misidentifies the language, or if you want to translate into a different language, you can manually choose the correct language by tapping the language names at the top of the screen and choosing the appropriate options. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.